Alright, so I need to replace the battery in my wife's 2018 Volvo XC60. The car didn't give us any kind of indication it needed a battery change. The fob has just not been working very well, and from my perspective, my wife angrily told me every day she needed a new battery like I broke it. So it's fairly simple. This little knob here, you pull it back, and then the top should pull sort of down and up like that. That's also what this little key will be if you for some reason were stranded and need to use a physical key. This would work. Now the battery is on the other side, so you want to pull this little guy inwards. That little metal nub there. There's even like an arrow showing you to put it there. On the back side here will be a battery. It's that little arrow you twist. There's like a little tiny gap there that you can kind of pop your fingernail into. Alright. And then the battery comes out. This is the CR. This is the original battery, and we've had it since 2018, so it's done pretty good. I just bought these Amazon basic ones. There you go. So you just pop that in. And then the blank side goes on this one. And then the Volvo side goes last. And then it just snaps right back on. Alright, and there you go. That's how you replace the battery.